this is a beautiful video because it's so helpful and useful for others. I never find these teachings anywhere, bro. And it's like, I feel proud and happy of making this video. You know what I mean? So let's start with the video. Sell information, the title of everything. Saint, what do you mean with sell information? I mean this. Stage 1. Teach a skill or knowledge that is inside of you right now. I say it twice. You can make a lot of money teaching a skill or knowledge that is inside of you right now. I give you some examples. Trading teachings, how to stop drinking alcohol, football, and anything, bro. You can teach anything, bro, and make a lot of money, for sure. A lot of money, a lot of cash. How can I do it, bro? I mean, yeah, bro, I have the knowledge, I have my skill or talent, but how can I do it? Okay, let's go. Stage 2, get attention. You need to get attention to get clients. So how can I get clients? YouTube. For me, YouTube is the best way. If you think you have a better way to getting clients and attention, that's perfect. Follow you. In my thinking, YouTube is the best way. After you get your clients, you will be having a Zoom call with them. So you have to create a website where they can book a call with you, and in the Zoom call, you talk with your client and you see if you can help him. And if they want to learn from you, they will be buying, bro. So I put an example, bro. Suppose I sell how to stop drinking alcohol. I teach people how to stop drinking alcohol. And my high ticket offer is like 5K. If I have 4 clients in a month, you will be winning 20K with only 4 clients, bro. I mean, imagine if you have more clients. This is fucking amazing, bro. Only 4, bro. If you want, we can work one-to-one. In the link of my description, I give you my product. I have 100 videos, some PDF, plus my coaching. I teach you how to make the perfect offer, how to make it everything perfect. Just book a call, bro. And that's it, bro. You're already ready to go to the moon, bro. You're already ready to go to the stars. Just do it, bro. Just win.